Okay, so I ran into a little bit of difficulty in my last video, which happens, and I tried not to edit out the good parts, and of course, as soon as I turned off the video and the pressure was off, I realized how stupid I was, that when I was doing my calculations, I used my 2.2 kilo ohm resistor, but I forgot to swap it out. So I forgot to swap out my 2.2 kilo ohm resistor, and so since I didn't build my circuit with the correct resistors, then of course I'm not going to get the right result. Okay, so now if I hook that up, and I hook this up, you'll notice that the resistor that was supposed to be right, the resistor that was right. So my 4.7 kilo ohm, I hook that up now, put myself back there, and I get 6.34 milliamps, which is exactly what I wanted. And then I plug that back in there, and I take this one out, but not all the way out like I just did, partially out, hook this over here, and so just this resistor all by itself is going to be, let me just get a better electrical connection on that, 1.33, and I was expecting 1.36, and then if I plug the whole thing together, I get my total current all together now. I was expecting 2, and I'm getting 1.9, which is exactly sort of within the range of what I want. And then the last thing that I'm going to do with this one is I'm expecting the whole resistance to be 1.5 kilo ohms. So if I do this, I should get an entire resistance of 1.5 kilo ohms, and I get 1.472 kilo ohms. Okay, so as long as I've got a little bit of time in this, that's my parallel circuit, and so what I want to say is okay. Two resistors in series must have the same current. The voltage split will depend on the values of the resistor. And then we have Two resistors in series must have the same current. Voltage will split depending on values of the resistors. Two resistors in parallel must have the same voltage. Current split will depend on the values of the resistors. Okay, we're going to come back and we're going to look at some 3 resistor circuits in the next few videos.